How to send money by Ria Money Transfer. In today's video, you will learn how to send money through the Ria Money company from its official website. We will explain the details, what you should take into account, how to do it, and much more. Stay until the end of the video to learn. If by watching all this video, you feel that we have helped you, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now, where every week we analyze a new company to send money. The first thing we have to do is access the official website of Ria Money Transfer. In the description of this video we will leave you a link where we explain how to access the official website. Click on the link and learn more. Very well, once we are inside the official website of Ria Money Transfer, we will see everything that appears on the screen right now. Let's start by looking at your prices, that is, fees and commissions, as you have a price calculator available here. Click on this link. Very well, we are now in the price calculator section, where we will have to fill in the shipping details to obtain the total cost of the rates. The first thing we have to select here is the destination country. That means the country where we want to send money. This here is a drop-down list. We click and it will open an extensive list of available countries to send money. Ria Money Transfer is one of the most used companies worldwide to make transfers, thanks to the fact that it has many agencies in different countries of the world, and that allows us to send money internationally with this company. In my case, I will select Mexico, the country where I will send money. Once the destination country has been selected, we have to select how we are going to pay the transfer. We have 4 options of payment method available, for example, bank account, credit, or debit card, or cash payment at any Ria Money agency. In my case, I have a debit card from my bank, and I want to pay by that means, so I will select it here. For this sector we have to enter the amount of money in dollars that we want to send. I put $20 for this example. Here you must select how you want the recipient to receive the money. You have 2 options, bank deposit if the other person has a bank account, or cash pickup. Cash pickup means that the person who will receive your money sent must go to some physical Ria Money agency to be able to withdraw your money. Attention! Depending on the payment method we use for our transfer, we will pay different rates. Now I am changing the payment method and the rates change accordingly. For example, if we pay with a debit card, we will pay $2 in commissions. If we pay by credit card, we will pay $4. If we pay with a bank deposit, we will only pay a commission $1. This payment method is the cheapest. But keep in mind that bank deposits are not made instantly. You must wait between 3 to 5 business days for your transfer to reach its destination. If you are in a hurry, we recommend selecting the debit card payment. The transactions are made in minutes, and the commission would be $2. Pay attention. Here again we have a very important piece of information, and it is precisely the exchange rate of Ria Money Transfer. Each transfer company has its own currency exchange rate. In the case of Ria Money, you can see it in this sector. They inform us that $1 is equivalent to 19.57 Mexican pesos. That is, this is the price of the dollar for transfers with Ria Money. Very well, we already know the fees and commissions of Ria Money Transfer. If we agree with the costs, we must register to make our first transfer. To do this, we go to the top of the website. And for this sector, we have the option of registration. We click on this link. This section opens where they inform that we can create an account totally free. We have to provide all the required data. We start with the email. Here we write our email again to confirm. This box can be unchecked if you do not want to receive the Ria Money newsletter. For the sector you must create a new password, and here below retype this new password to confirm. This is the account security section. We have to select some security questions, and down here we write the answer to the question we have selected. In total there are 3 security questions that we have to select and answer. This serves to enter our account in case we lose the password. Then we have the profile information section. Here is our personal data. First name, middle name, last name, date of birth, address, city, state or province, zip code, telephone number, preferred language, and finally the country where we will send money. To finish, we mark these 2 boxes and click on Create My Account. We have already created the account correctly. We are now in the main section of our Ria Money account. The first thing we have to do is add a new beneficiary of the payment, that is, the person who will receive our money. We go to My Beneficiaries. Once inside this section, we click on this button that says Add. In this section we have to enter the personal data of the other person, her first name, middle name, first last name, second last name. Attention! In this message they tell us that we have to write the name correctly as it appears on the identity document of the other person, so that the withdrawal of the money is completed successfully. We also have to select the recipient's country, his address, the city where he lives. We click Save. And we would already have our first beneficiary added. Now the time has come to send money. Up here you have that option. We click on Send Money. Here we select the destination country, in this case Mexico. The currency of the MXN payment appears automatically. Here we have to enter the amount we want to send in dollars. And this sector will show the amount of money that the recipient will receive in their local currency, in this case MXN. For this sector we must select the payment method. As we had seen at the beginning, it is convenient to pay with a bank account because the commissions are very low, but remember that it takes between 3 to 5 business days. Here he asks us how we want the money to be delivered. We have two options, bank deposit or cash pickup. I will select bank deposit. We click on Continue. Now we have to add the data of the beneficiary, or we can directly select the beneficiary in the case of having previously added it. And that is precisely what we had already done. We click here to select, and once selected, all fields are automatically filled in. Again we click on Continue. Here we have to enter the bank details of the person receiving the payment. The data is bank name. You select here, and for this sector you write the name, and below it says claim number. You select here, and you write here. You must request these data from the other person. Here we have to enter the details of our debit card to proceed with the payment. We select this option, and now we have to provide all these details of the card that you see on the screen. After loading all the data, we click on Continue. In the next window they give us all the detailed information on the shipment. You should read all this carefully, and if everything is correct, below you must enter the security code of your card that is on the back, then click on Send. The transfer will be successful, and they will send you an email with all the data. Have we helped you? If so, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now, where every week we analyze a new company to send money.